Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the carpet cleaning mode in your ROBOROCK QRevo Edge. At first, tap this gear icon over here. Once you have tapped that, tap here the carpet cleaning setting. As you can see here, they have a lot of options. For example, lift mop cloth mount to vacuum carpets first. Tap that to check that. Here, as I can see, to have carpet boost. The robot will automatically detect carpets and turn suction power to maximum for a deeper cleaning. Here they have deep carpet cleaning. After room cleaning, the robot will separately clean carpets in each room, only cleaning mats. You can check or discheck these options. Here we have the previous option, lift mop cloth mounts to vacuum carpets. So, apart from these, we have here avoid carpets, cross carpets, or ignore carpets. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.